Hello students. In this video, let's explore some essential geometric constructions involving circles and triangles. These techniques are straightforward yet form the basis of many complex constructions. First, let's see how to construct a tangent to a circle from a point on its circumference. Start by drawing a circle with center O and radius r. Choose a point P on the circle, then join OP. Now, draw a line through P that forms a right angle with OP. This line is the tangent we're looking for. Now, if we want to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle, start by joining the center O to the external point P. Next, draw a circle with OP as the diameter. This will intersect the original circle at points A and B. The lines PA and PB are the tangents. Remember, the angle between a radius and a tangent is always 90 degrees, and tangents from an external point are equal, meaning PA equals PB. Next up is constructing a circumscribing circle of a triangle. Given a triangle ABC, draw the perpendicular bisectors of any two sides. Where they intersect is the circumcenter, O. Using O as the center and the distance to any vertex as the radius, draw the circle. This is our circumscribing circle. For an inscribed circle in a triangle, draw the angle bisectors of two angles of the triangle. Where they meet is the incenter, I from I. Draw a perpendicular line to one side. This distance is the radius. Draw the circle with I as the center, and it will touch all three sides of the triangle. In the case of a regular hexagon, you can circumscribe a circle by drawing the perpendicular bisectors of any two sides to find the center, or by drawing two main diagonals. Then, use this center and the radius to draw the circle. Lastly, to inscribe a circle in a regular hexagon, draw angle bisectors of two angles of the hexagon to find the incenter. Drop a perpendicular from this point to any side, and use this as the radius to draw your circle. Now, a quick question for you. If you're given a triangle and want to draw a circle that touches each side, what's the first step you'd take? Share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.